Hey everyone! Today we're going to show how to integrate Processmaker 3 and Outlook. Let's start it. Here we have the Processmaker Outlook plugin file we have to upload to our Processmaker system. We're going to log in to MDP program process. We're going to work with MDP program system as a sample to integrate our Outlook plugin. We open the standard Processmaker admin menu. On the plugin tab, we're going to select plugin manager option. Then we're going to click on import button. Then we select our plugin file. We click on import button. Then we select our plugin and we click on enable button to enable the plugin. Then we have the PMOutlook Plugin panel. We have the enable add-in, the server name, the workspace name, the add-in name, and the URL. We save this configuration. And the most important is copy this URL. Then we are going to open our Outlook account. Here in our inbox, we select any message. And we're going to go to the additional options. We select the get add-in option. Click on my add-ins. Then on the bottom of the screen, we're going to click on add a custom add-in. Select add from URL option. Now we're going to paste the URL from our manifest file from the Processmaker system. Here we can see we added our Processmaker MDP add-ins. Then we're going to the additional options from the message. We can see the Processmaker add-in installed in the menu. This opens the login panel. We can log in with any user from our Processmaker system. We have the processes. We have all the cases about this process. Then we're going to open our system. We have the case number 159, Ford and tone. Then we're going to open the document folders. This is the document folders from the process underwriting. We select the document folder where will be attached the email notification from Outlook. As we can see, we don't have any files uploaded. Here in Outlook, we can search the case number 159. To attach this email notification to our case, the only one we have to do is do double click on the case. We wait a second. Then we have the success message telling us that this email notification was attached to the case number 159. Then we're going to review on the Processmaker system. We refresh the folder. Here we have the email notification attached as a PDF file. We can download this file in order to see the content of our email notification from Outlook. As we can see, this is the email notification from Outlook converted to PDF file and uploaded to our case in our Processmaker system. As we can see, we have integrated Outlook with our Processmaker system in order to attach any email notifications from Outlook to any cases from our Processmaker system in Processmaker 3. That's it for today. Thanks for watching this video. See you